Feeling or emotion verb with examples. Admire. She admired his bravery. Adore. He adores his cat. Affection. They showed affection by hugging. Agitate. Loud noises agitate him. Alarm. The fire alarm scared everyone. Amuse. The clown's tricks amused the kids. Anger. The rude comment angered her. Annoy. The buzzing fly annoyed him. Anticipate. She anticipated the surprise. Appreciate. He appreciated the help. Astonish. The magic trick astonished them. Awe. The mountain's size filled them with awe. Baffle. The puzzle baffled him. Begrudge. He begrudged her success. Belittle. The boss belittled his efforts. Blame. He blamed her for the mistake. Blush. She blushed at the compliment. Boast. He boasted about his new car. Bore. The lecture bored them. Brag. She bragged about her grades. Cheer. They cheered for their team. Comfort. She comforted her crying friend. Compassion. He showed compassion to the homeless. Confuse. The instructions confused him. Depress. The gloomy weather depressed him. Desire. She desired a peaceful life. Despise. He despises dishonesty. Detest. She detests spicy food. Disappoint. The news disappointed them. Disdain. He felt disdain for rude people. Disgust. The spoiled milk disgusted him. Dislike. She dislikes loud music. Distressed. He distrusted the salesman. Doubt. She doubted his story. Dread. He dreads speaking in public. Embrace. Her mistake embarrassed her. Empathize. She empathized with his pain. Envy. He envied her talent. Excite. The game excited the crowd. Flatter. He flattered her with compliments. Fascinate. Dinosaurs fascinate kids. Forgive. She forgave him quickly. Frighten. The ghost story frightened them. Frustrate. The slow computer frustrated her. Grieve. He grieved his lost pet. Hate. She hates getting up early. Hope. They hope for good weather. Humiliate. The prank humiliated him. Impress. Her talent impressed the judges. Indifference. He felt indifference towards the news. Infuriate. The unfair rule infuriated her. Inspire. The movie inspired him. Irritate. The buzzing sound irritated her. Jealous. He was jealous of his friend's success. Joy. She felt joy at the party. Loathe. He loathes broccoli. Long. She longed for adventure. Love. They love their dog. Lust. He lusts for power. Offend. The joke offended him. Overwhelm. The workload overwhelmed her. Panic. He panicked during the test. Pity. She felt pity for the stray cat. Praise. He praised her work. Pride. She felt pride in her achievement. Regret. He regretted his decision. Relive. She was relieved after the test. Resent. He resented her success. Respect. They respected their teacher. Revolt. The bad smell revolted him. Ridicule. They ridiculed his idea. Scare. The horror movie scared her. Shock. The news shocked them. Shame. He felt shame for lying. Startle. The sudden noise startled her. Stun. The surprise party stunned him. Surprise. She surprised him with a gift. Sympathize. She sympathized with his struggles. Terrify. The storm terrified the children. Thrill. The roller coaster thrilled them. Trust. She trusts her best friend. Unnerve. The creepy house unnerved him. Upset. The bad news upset her. Value. They value honesty. Worry. He worried about the future.